I enjoyed the look of them, the how well maintained they were, when they were built, condition of them, and between going to car shows, I just had a fascination. My name's Richard Hunter. I collect die-cast antique cars. I've been collecting die-cast cars for at least 10 years now. The first one I started collecting was the Corvettes that I have. Those are highly priced, and those are my pride and joy right now. The most recent one, I have a nice pink Cadillac. I would say that was my most recent one. My collection, I'm guessing, has got to be well over $5,000. Fords, Chevy cars, Pontiacs, Dodges, all the major brand cars. I'm sure I have at least one or two of them. I do have a favorite car. It is right behind me. That's the highly priced one. It is the first Corvette car that came out. I have another one that I'm really fond of that was unique when it came out, and it is called the Woody car, and the body is just that, made out of wood. I would like, there's one out there, the Budweiser transport truck trailer. That was nice back when it was built. Well, they're a collection that I want to keep on growing and, expand on it. I'm not done. There's a lot more out there that I've seen, a lot more that I want to add to it. This isn't the end of it.